welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here though, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and become a part of the family. So this video is all about Beauty Forever hair. They sent me over a Vpart, I believe an 18-inch curly unit. It came with lashes, clips, and a satin scarf. And I'm just showing you guys how the wig is constructed. It has combs in the front, the sides, the back. It's also adjustable, and that part is like lace, so it's not a track there, so it lays extra flat, and that you have a whole lot of security when it comes to this wig. So yeah, I'm not gonna expose myself, y'all. I can't do that on the internet. Are you kidding me? But yeah, so my braids for this install, they were old. I honestly would recommend you braid your anchor braid straight back, going towards the back of your neck, because I think it'll be easier for the clips, and it would just lay flatter and just look better, because the hair was the clips were kind of sliding, you know, because of the way I had my hair braided. But you know, I was just working with what I had, because I wasn't about to re-braid my hair. And when you install this hair, like, it's super easy to do. It only takes like 5 minutes. I pulled out some of my baby hair, so I'll show you a little bit of how I styled that. But here I'm just putting in all the clips, all the combs, just to make sure it's secure on my head. I do want to say, like, this hair is absolutely gorgeous. The curls are popping, I must say. Beauty Forever did that. And I want to say thank you to them for sending me this hair to review and to bring to you guys. And I want to thank you guys for supporting my channel as well. So yeah, let's get back into the video. I was struggling a little bit with these clips. Well, it's really because the way my hair is braided, but okay, so right here I'm teasing the hair towards the root to try to hide any lace that may be showing. So I co-washed this hair and I allowed it to air dry. So I'm just putting some mousse on the hair just to tame any frizzy parts that I may have messed up while I was installing the hair. Okay guys, that is the finished look. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.